Hello and welcome to the Mavency channel. I'm Veronica Wasek, founder of Mavency, where we help Shopify sellers just like you to set up, organize, and streamline their bookkeeping and integrations. Does the thought of complying with sales tax rules just make you want to run away and hide? In this video, I'll go over the 5 things that every Shopify seller should know about U.S. sales taxes. At Mavency, we help Shopify sellers with their bookkeeping, and many of our clients, especially those whose sales are taking off really fast, are in a panic about complying with sales tax rules. They're getting bad advice from online sources. They may be working with accountants who are not really familiar with multi-state sales tax compliance. Some of them registered to collect sales taxes in multiple states before reaching Nexus, and others have collected sales taxes but never remitted them. So let's go over the 5 key things that every Shopify seller should know about U.S. sales taxes. Number 1, challenges. Being a Shopify seller comes with unique challenges when it comes to sales tax compliance. U.S. tax rules are different in every state, and the rules change on a regular basis. Shopify collects sales taxes only after you set them up. You may be using marketplaces to collect and remit sales taxes for you, such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok Shop. But Shopify does not remit sales taxes for you, and Shopify sellers have the burden of keeping up with sales taxes. Number 2, Nexus. The simple definition for Nexus is whether you have met one of the requirements to collect sales taxes in a state or jurisdiction. There's physical nexus, and that pertains to whether you have physical presence in a state, such as the state where your business is located or a state where you have a warehouse. Then you have economic nexus, and that pertains to selling to states outside of your state. You must first meet the minimum threshold requirements to be subject to collecting sales taxes in other states. Those thresholds may include a minimum number of transactions or minimum amount of sales. Remember that rules are different in every state, so every state has different minimum thresholds. If you use Shopify Tax, you can look up to see if you've met the economic nexus threshold in a state. Number 3, register. Once you have met the economic nexus threshold in a state, the next step is usually to register to collect sales taxes in that state. Remember, you should not register to collect sales taxes until you meet the economic threshold rules in that state. To register for sales taxes, I highly recommend working with a sales tax specialist. I'll link some of them for you in the description. Number 4, collect. So you have registered in a state to collect sales taxes. Now it's time to start collecting the taxes. You can set up to collect sales taxes in Shopify from the sales tax settings. Number 5, remit. Now you're ready to remit the sales taxes that you have collected. And here's another important tip. You must remit the sales taxes after registering and collecting sales taxes. To remit sales taxes, you can use sales tax apps such as TaxJar or Avalara, or you can use a professional service such as Sales Tax and More or Avalara Professional Services. Let me know in the comments if you have questions about sales taxes, and I'll try to do more videos for you in the future. At Mavency, we're a trusted and reliable team of Shopify bookkeeping pros. Check the description below to learn about Mavency and whether we'd be a good fit for working together. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things e-commerce bookkeeping. Till next time, happy selling.